thoughts of having to dig 2 or 3 beds make you and your back feel discouraged? British inventors have come to the rescue with their kicker digger system. The idea is very simple. The steel construction attaches to the shovel and allows you to dig with less effort. The process is not only faster, but also safer, because you don't have to bend over and strain your back so much. The system is made of stainless steel and weighs just over 2 pounds. The clamp fits shafts up to 1.5 inches in diameter, and the system will be useful to work not only with a shovel, but also with a pitchfork. The cost is approximately $41. More than 80 patents, a smart internal system, and the ability to set up virtual work zones and ensure positioning with an accuracy of 0.4 inches. This is not a description of a lunar rover or another smart car. It is actually a lawnmower. Of course, the model is not cheap. It costs about $1,200. However, the manufacturers are sure that it's a revolutionary product. But what is so interesting about it? Firstly, users have access to a special app. In it, like in a video game, the area is divided into zones, and you can select different mowing modes for each. For example, the mowing height can be adjusted from 1 to 2.4 inches. Secondly, the radar system will allow the device to see an obstacle from 2 inches in size and avoid it. And thirdly, one battery charge is enough for about 16,000 square feet. And here's a spreader that will be useful all year round. It makes it easy to spread seeds, fertilizer, sand, reagents, and other similar products. The model is optimized to work with mini tractors and holds 15 gallons. The maximum operating speed is about 3 miles per hour, and the spreading range can be increased to 26 feet. Feed speed is also adjustable. The frame is made of steel, and the container is made of plastic, making the total weight of the spreader only 20 pounds. And pneumatic tires provide shock absorption and stability without adding unnecessary weight to it. If you like it, you'll have to shell out about $200. Next up is a misting system, a great tool for farmers and gardeners. For example, in Australia, where this model was developed, droughts are common for several seasons in a row, and the temperature sometimes reaches 53 degrees Celsius. This misting kit provides both irrigation and cooling, increasing the chances of a good harvest. According to the manufacturer, a properly installed system will reduce temperatures by about 10 degrees Celsius. No special skills are required for installation, and a timer will help set the operating mode. An additional advantage is the product's versatility. It's appropriate for porches, patios, and recreational areas. The device is available in 3 lengths: 23, 66, and 82 feet, and the parts are compatible. Prices start at $25. If it's time to start planting, this dirt snatcher will come in handy. For $30, this tool will produce quality holes in a single movement. Planting has never been easier, says the American manufacturer. The tool is 11 inches long and forms holes about 3 inches in diameter. Thanks to the combination of nickel-plated steel and impact-resistant plastic, the construction is so reliable that the sellers offer a lifetime warranty. And the ergonomic handle allows you to operate the planter even with one hand. You can buy the device in red, yellow, green, and black colors. A healthy and beautiful garden run by the latest technology. This is the concept of the Gardener Smart System. It connects different devices so that you can take care of your garden from anywhere in the world. And of course, there's also the Gardener app, which has been developed in cooperation with expert gardeners. It enables the user to assess important parameters in real time and to create a care schedule. And if anything's not clear, you can refer to the Intelligent Assistant and the plant library. The heart of the system is the Gardener Smart Gateway, which is able to connect to the internet and control all other devices. These include robotic lawnmowers, soil control sensors, irrigation systems and sensors, lighting control systems, and pumping systems. Each item is sold separately, which allows you to immediately find the optimal configuration and, if necessary, expand it. And if the choice seems too difficult, there's a questionnaire to help you decide. This pump-free garden sprayer is the universal solution for any garden. Just fill it with water and any additives, such as herbicides, and you're ready to go. The trick is the patented design with a flexible water tank, which provides optimal pressure. 0.8 and 1.3 gallon models are available and weigh 3 and 3.5 pounds respectively. You can add liquid fertilizers, herbicides, and more straight into the tank. The included spray nozzle lets you choose from 4 spray patterns: jet, cone, shower, and mist. To protect against overfilling, there is a water outlet valve, and a pressure gauge will help you track the pressure. Did you know that gardening equipment can be very harmful to the environment? For example, an ordinary gas lawnmower emits as many volatile organic compounds as 11 new cars in just an hour. So, it's time to update your garden fleet with some electric models, believe the manufacturers of this tool. It's called Photonics and can be used as a chainsaw, a circular saw, and a reciprocating saw. Work is made easier by the 2 ergonomic handles and the built-in backlight. Regardless of the mode, there'll be enough charge for about 10 hours of operation, and there are 2 batteries in the kit. If the manufacturer's plan comes to fruition, the first kits and pre-orders will start shipping in August. The price starts at $240. On your screen is a planting machine developed in Japan. It allows you to plant more than 260 seedlings in 40 seconds. But beforehand, you must prepare a special biodegradable chain. The chain comes in several sizes, for example, 4 inches apart and 1.2 inches tall, so it's perfect for specific plants. The chain has to be purchased separately, but the machine comes with 25 plastic trays in 3 sizes. The machine is 5.6 feet long and 14 inches wide. It weighs about 46 pounds, and the planting depth is adjustable. The kit costs about $1,245, and you'll have to pay about $4 for a single chain. What do you think this is? Another irrigation system? Well, no, it's not. This is a nifty scarecrow that quickly and safely chases away animals. For example, imagine that your neighbor's dog has decided to do its doggy business on your lawn. You set the scarecrow and the problem is solved. As soon as the motion sensors are activated, the dog will be sprayed with water. The shooting range is about 35 feet. Special lenses provide detection of even small animals like cats. Water is spent economically too. No more than 2 or 3 cups are used to scare off the intruder. The scarecrow is powered by a 6F22 battery. Installation's very simple. You have to stick the scarecrow in the ground and connect it through a garden hose to a water source. The price is $45. And don't forget to turn the scarecrow off if there are any gremlins around. This is a tool developed in the United States that combines the advantages of a saw, a shovel, and an axe. It makes working with tree roots much easier and will be of interest to gardeners, landscapers, farmers, woodsmen, and more. The tool weighs 5.8 pounds and has an overall length of 44.5 inches. The blade is 13 inches long. The design is so sturdy that the developer offers a lifetime warranty, and according to the tests of the independent laboratory Intertech, the tool is 150% more resistant than similar products. In addition, the demand led to the creation of a whole series of tools. This amazing product costs $65. This is an interesting system that costs only $20, but opens up a lot of possibilities. First, it allows you to connect the hose without worrying about it twisting. The base rotates 360 degrees, and the section to which the hose is attached rotates 180 degrees. Secondly, it's easy to turn it into a shower or use it to wash dishes or tools without disconnecting the hose. And thirdly, it only has one twist knob, so it can be adjusted in an intuitive way. So, this is a universal helper for a variety of locations, from construction sites to gardens. The device is made of plastic, and the dimensions are modest, 4.8 by 4 by 2.3 inches. What do you think of the price? Despite its intimidating and somehow medieval appearance, this construction serves quite a peaceful purpose. It's an aerator roller that makes lawn care easier. Thanks to 78 3-inch long spikes, the device makes it easier for the roots to access nutrients and oxygen while reducing soil compaction. The roller's working width is 36 inches, making it easy to work on large lawns. Up to 24 gallons of water can be poured into the drum for additional soil leveling. The frame is corrosion resistant, and it's optimized to work with lawnmowers, mini tractors, ATVs, and other equipment. You'll have to pay $400 for it.
Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.